Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block websites on Google Chrome, and this is very easy to do. So we need to go to the Chrome Web Store, and there's two different ways that we can do this. So if we open up a new tab in Google Chrome, we can go to the little box right here where it says Google Apps, and then scroll on down under this list until we get to the Chrome Web Store, and we can select it right here. Otherwise, we can go to Google and just type in Chrome Web Store, and then press enter, and then we can select it right here. It'll bring us to the same page. Now we want to type in the search block site, just like this, block site, and then go to this extension, and this says block websites and stay focused. So let's select this and then go to add to Chrome, and it's checking, and then go to add extension. Now it's loading a new web page, and accept the agreement, and then you can go to skip. Now to block a website with block site, go to this little puzzle icon right here where it says extensions, select this, then go to the block site app, choose this. Now you can go to block this site, and it has been added to my block list, and we can refresh the page, and this is what it looks like. So we can go back to the extension now and choose this, and we can go to edit the block list, and we can add a website right here if we want to type in the URL, or we can remove a website from the block list, and then we can reload the page and see if it works. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.